Most people wait until they finish university to start thinking about money and business. I didn't. Before I ever stepped foot on a university campus, I was already running a printing business and I was taking design clients. And honestly, those businesses taught me more than any classroom has so far. Let me tell you the story, and more importantly, let me tell you what you can also steal from it. So, a bit of context. I am Deli, a student of KNUST, studying media and communication. But before KNUST, I had already started two things: a design side hustle, like a graphic design side hustle, and a printing business. It wasn't glamorous. I wasn't making millions, but I was making real money, working with real clients, solving real problems. But then when school came, I had to pause the printing side because university demands that. But then the lessons, those came with me. So pay attention to these lessons. Lesson 1, and this one hits really hard. People don't pay for your efforts, they pay for your results. When I started doing designing, I used to think because I spent 5 hours on a design, it was worth more. My clients didn't care about that 5 hours. They cared whether the design made their business look good or not. That shift in thinking changed everything for me. So if you are trying to make money as a student, as a young person, stop leading with I worked hard on this. I want you to lead with here is what this does for you, and that's how you actually get paid. So lesson 2, your network is your first client base. I didn't run ads. I didn't have any big following. My first clients were people who knew me, people who had seen my work, friends who referred me, every single one. This is why I tell every student, the connection you build in university are not just social. Don't just make it social. They are professional capital. The person sitting next to you in the lecture hall could be your first customer, your first business partner, your first employer. Treat people accordingly. And lesson 3, starting small is not the same as thinking small. My printing business was small, my design clients were small, but then the way I approached it, the professionalism, the communication, the quality was not small. I treated every single job like it was the biggest deal I had ever gotten. That reputation is what grows. That's what referrals. That's what makes people trust you with bigger things later. A lot of young people hold back because they feel like they need to wait to have something big before they start. No, start with what you have. Be excellent at the small things first. Actually, and I'll talk about this more very soon. One of the things I'm building right now is a student planner specifically for KNUST students, because honestly, when I got here, I had no system. I had no structure. I was just winging it. So I decided to build a thing I wish I had when I started, and more on that very soon. Now let's move on to the last lesson, which is lesson 4. And this one is very, very personal. School and business can coexist, but you need boundaries. When I got to KNUST, I had to pause the printing business, not because I wanted to, but because I hadn't planned for how demanding level 100 would be. I didn't have systems. I didn't have anyone to delegate to. So when school hit, the business had to stop. The lesson there is, if you're going to build something whilst in school, build it in a way that doesn't depend 100% on your physical presence every single day. That's why digital product, content, things that works whilst you sleep, those are the smartest move for a student, which is exactly which is actually part of why I started this channel. Here's what I really want you to take from this video. You don't need to wait for a certificate to start building. You don't need your parents' permission to develop a skill. You don't need to be in final year to start thinking about your career. The students who came out of university ahead of everyone else are the ones who started doing things before everyone else. And that is not luck. That is a decision I made. And that is not luck. That is a decision. I made that decision early, and I'm making it again right now with this particular channel. I am building in public, showing you exactly what I am doing and why. And if you want to be the first to know when the university planner drops, which is built specifically around the K University academic calendar, your courses, your target grades, link is in the description. Join the wait list. It is coming very, very soon. And let me give you the real world example of everything I just said. In 2024, before I even stepped into the university, I got the opportunity to work with a startup marketing company as a graphic designer. Now, here's the thing. This wasn't something informal. This wasn't something small. It was competitive. I was up against people with degrees, people who had the certificates I didn't have yet. Here's what I had that they couldn't put on a piece of paper. Real experience, a portfolio that showed exactly what I could do, and the ability to market myself confidently. I knew my work, I knew my value, and I communicated them. I got the job, I got my desk, I sat in that office as someone without a single university certificate to my name. After that, other opportunities started coming, recommendations, companies reaching out, more doors opening, but I turned them down, not because I was crazy, but because I realized something. I didn't want to build someone else's dream. I wanted to build mine. This channel, these products, this brand, this is what I chose instead. I'm telling you this not to show off. I'm telling you this because I need you to understand something deeply. Your skills, your portfolio, and your ability to present yourself will open doors that your certificate is still waiting to open. So start building now. Don't wait. If this video resonated with you, subscribe, because every week I am dropping content that's 100% practical, real, and built specifically for students like us. And if you are currently trying to get into K University or figure out university applications, I have a WhatsApp community where I'm helping people through that particular process right now. Link is in the description. My name is Deli. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. See you in the next one.